Today, hey, hey, we're going to Blue Ridge. Today, hey, hey. So we're going to Blue Ridge tomorrow. Super excited for my husband's birthday. And our friends are coming with us. Excuse me. I don't know why I have so much energy because I've been on and go like all freaking day. And I'm still not done because I'm about to make some snickerdoodle cookies. I made them for Christmas. Found this recipe online that I'm going to link below for y'all. It was... Now, I will tell you, I don't know if I'm using the same recipe because my history did not pull all the way back to Christmas. So we're just gonna hope and pray they come out the same way, okay? Also, my husband loves these cookies. So I do one batch snickerdoodle and the other batch brown sugar because he's apparently allergic to cinnamon. Hi, birthday boy.
Hola. What's up?
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't deny I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. You know, I'll just put
1:15. It's 1:15. And I just wrapped up baking cookies. I made baby girl's yogurt, her little yogurt pouches to bring. Yeah. Whew. The girl is tired. I had some energy about an hour ago, but it's time to go to sleep. And tomorrow we're going to today we're going to Blue Ridge. You know when you like excited for a trip, like I'm still, when you excited for a trip, you just like, I don't even want to go to sleep yet. I need to fill it up. So I got up this morning and I put flexi rods in my hair because I didn't have time last night. I was too tired. So we're gonna be riding around with the bonnet on. Hey, good morning. Are you ready to go to the mountains? Are you ready to go to the mountains? She's like, Mommy, it is too early for you to have this camera on my face like this. What are you doing? It's okay. Watch your hand, watch your hand. Ooh, girl, you made it. Oh yeah, you made it, you made it. Oh girl, you made it, you made it. Come on, girl, we gonna put these stockies on. Hopefully you don't pull them off. Hey. Do you want to go wash your face? Oh. Oh.
ready for your first road trip? Road trip, road trip, road trip, road trip, road trip, road trip.
My hoodie back on. I know. The bonnet is not aesthetically pleasing, I know. But it has to happen because the hair is gonna look good, you know what I mean? But we're about to get on the road. Blue Ridge is 6 hours and 51 minutes away from us. So it's basically a 7-hour drive, not including stops and whatever awaits this adventure. It's gonna be a time, it's gonna be a time. She loves me.
Yep.
I'm tired, bro. I just can't believe I gotta ride around with a bonnet on. It's so not aesthetically pleasing. Being aesthetically pleasing is exhausting sometimes. Girl is over here patiently waiting to get on the road. So patient. But seriously, y'all, I'm gonna have to use the bathroom. An hour and a half into this trip, I bet you. You know what? I should probably go now while we plan. Very smart of you to think of that. Very smart.
Gas me, how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag.
We just made it to our first stop, and you guessed it. You already know it's up. Sarai's not a happy camper right now, so she's about to get a diaper change, which is probably gonna piss her off even more. I'm gonna go inside and order some food and put my hoodie on as if people can't still see I got this huge bonnet on. It's cold.
Hey, you the same way, only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. Thank you.
Brief intermission. The life of a breastfeeding mom. The life of a breastfeeding mom. I love breastfeeding. Hi. Hi.
Shouldn't have came during lunchtime. I normally don't.
All right, we have made our second stop. It was a little rocky. This one was a little rocky. I still look bummy and unpresentable, but here I am presenting myself. I am about to take the wheel and give the birthday man a break. But we're almost there, y'all. We're like 2.5 hours away. I'm gonna get us there in 1.
My thing, moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh.
Baby girl over there needed to be tended to, of course. So you will get this cabin tour with the bags and my man with the TV on, period. And y'all gonna like it, all right? This is absolutely beautiful. So then you walk in, and I have to show y'all the views tomorrow. This is the kitchen. And then out here is basically the balcony, but you can't see anything, so we're just gonna ignore that. Cutesy. I like it. This is the bathroom. Has it has the laundry and the shower. It's accessible. And then your mirror. Duh. There is a basement. Dun dun dun. These lights on. They have 2 bunk beds, which we will not be utilizing, but they have a full-on pool table. I will be giving out L's. Then they have games and literally a game room. So this is the gym area, which is very cute. I like that this is available to us, even though I probably won't use it. This is the bathroom to the room upstairs. Very nice lighting, I appreciate that. And then this is the bedroom. I love this little On. Sit, y'all. This is very cute. Oh, ew. Do y'all see that? I know y'all see that. Why is it so hard to find good cleaners? Okay, because there are things that need to be cleaned other than the bathroom and the sheets changed on the bed, okay? If the decorative pillows are dirty, you need to replace them. If the couch is dusty, you might need to dust it. It needs to look like nobody stayed in here before me. You know what I'm saying? Still waiting for our friends to arrive and I'm hungry. Places close at 8 p.m. and it's like almost 7. I need to figure it out. Our friends are here. God, dog. My bad. Excuse me.
Everybody baby for the video.
Oh, well, y'all better just hurry up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Yes. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
Old as it now.
We're going hiking today. So, let's go get ready. Put these flexi rods in my hair. Honestly, I guess the curls are just gonna fall on their own. Ain't nobody gonna see the top anyway. Yeah. She's a winter princess. Ooh, girl. Good morning. Hi, Peekabut.
Where'd you get that plate from?
I need a code word.
No music. No music. No music. Now one of y'all got a freestyle.
Mondo got it.
You're the one.
Right.
You want a bite or a piece?
Go.
A piece? Wait, can you taste it with me? Okay. Ready? Happy birthday, babe.
Gracias. Might go for a walk.
But we're going for a hike. Tell me I'm about to go for a walk. Try to be funny. Well, hello. You trying to say hello? This vlog, if I edit it, is gonna be so cute. Woo. Wait, baby. Baby, it's cold outside. You gotta keep it. You gotta keep it on. Oh my God! Ah! Gotta distract them. Picture time.
Wait to the camera.
Oh my gosh, these pictures are so cute. We're about to go hiking. We're gonna go see a waterfall. And I think it's the tallest waterfall around here. So I can't wait to go and see it. We're gonna take some pictures. Might do a little TikTok, you know what I'm saying? And y'all can see the mountains from here. It's so beautiful at night. And then down here is the jacuzzi that I thought I wanted to get in, but yeah, my body is like, we ain't with it, we ain't with it.
Good job.
Hi, my big girl. Look at you go.
Go, go.
Look at you go. Hi. Oh, you did so good, baby. Okay, sister, you better pose. Ew. Ew. Give it to the girls.
Truck was a smart move.
Back on this treacherous road.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Hello, how you doing? It's just a regular day pass, I guess. You gotta do better in the military.
Keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
Look at the fathers. You love to see it.
Alright, look. Ever since I turned 30, bro, I gotta do my little dad peace sign. My dad peace sign, bro. That's it, Dad. Somebody definitely try to walk on that, bro.
How you know?
I definitely do want to take a rock and throw it over there. I want to be that person.
Look at it. Yeah.
This is beautiful. Beautiful. So pretty.
It's nice that we're able to have such a good time somewhere.
Yeah.
Like, though it's the winter.
Yeah. Like the sun is out. The
Yeah.
weather is great. We're prepared.
So prepared.
Crazy thing is, yeah, I gotta use the bathroom.
I got some
And we've already started the hike. Like, we just started.
5 minutes later.
Y'all good?
Don't make me laugh.
I gotta see something. I don't want to miss the moment.
That's funny.
So this is where we're going.
Yep. And
We got ways to go.
You're a positive, motivating force in my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
This is God's beautiful creation, and I'm just so grateful to be experiencing this with my family and literally with my family. And I'm just so grateful. Yeah. And I look, you know, my back hurts. So I don't know if we're gonna keep going up or if we're gonna take a trail back down. We're having so much fun. We are in the Blue Ridge Mountains. I think it's Imakaola waterfalls. I always butcher names, so please forgive me.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you look at my baby. Girl, you amaze me.
Can't do it. So quick update. We came back from hiking and we were exhausted. We didn't really take naps, but we picked up some pizza. So we had some pizza, we chilled for a little bit, the babies played, changed diapers, and it is now 7. What time is it, babe?
Yeah, 7:30.
Okay, it's 7:30, so we're about to put the babies to sleep. And I'm cooking dinner tonight. We're making chicken wings, mac and cheese, and green beans as the sides, I believe. Yeah. It's been a great weekend so far. Like, very chill and just very nice to just get away in a cabin, to see the mountains, to see a beautiful waterfall, to hang out with friends who turn into family, like just to bask in His blessings. Like, it's just it's a beautiful thing. I'm just very thankful for these moments and to be able to have these moments, especially with our kids. She might not remember this moment, but this moment is just the start of the many moments that she will remember. Anyway, I am a little tired, but it's okay. We're gonna keep going.
My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note.
It's discovered that you said one of the words, then that's a foul. Or if y'all are still going and that's, or we're still going and that's run out, then that's a foul. And y'all are on the team, we're on the team.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say maybe take a couple in your hand. Like, I don't know.
It's about a sport and the word that talks about heart. So that sport has an orange ball and the heart and the ball.
Oh, love and basketball.
Yes.
Say that. I don't think you can say ball.
It doesn't say.
Just keep going.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Hold on now.
Okay, so this is
So is that a
another
point for them?
show.
There's one point?
Just we'll
Okay,
talk about
guys.
it later.
And so another show. It's the second word is the opposite of in a relationship.
Oh, it's done. Yeah. Okay, so this is something that women use on their head, and you probably seen Sheeta have one. It's not any type of. It's an iron, but it looks like a regular utensil. No, along those lines. It looks like a utensil that you use when you be raking your beard. What is that you use?
Comb?
Yeah, but what
comb?
kind? Yeah. Okay.
It's
What
this
you
bit, a
mean?
Like
minute.
60 seconds, I guess.
That's the longest.
We need to do a
Short as
timeline.
60
How old is
Yeah,
it going?
that's
We got one, y'all
I
got
don't
one.
like I ain't like that.
That was good.
Oh,
God,
shoot.
no. Throw all out.
Right. This is a movie that Terrence Howard was in.
Best man?
No. He.
Hustle and flow?
Yep. Well,
Hustle.
Period.
okay. Who? This is a. We were just listening to his song earlier today. Was a good day.
Ice Cube.
You just got ready, and I'm gonna skip this. No, I'm gonna skip it.
It's time to go home. So we're about to get ready. We've been packing up all morning. Baby girl is in the carrier. This is the new Baby Bjorn carrier that we bought for the trip. We love it. We're obsessed. One last view of this property before we depart from it.
We should make a bet.
What's the bet?
Who's gonna get pregnant first? I bet it's you.
That's crazy. Oh.
My mommy, baby. Hello. Can't take your eyes off your cousin.
You gonna be nice, Prez?
Prez. Hey. Relax.
Gotta get some food real quick. Look at that little cutie. Hey.